Welcome to English Reading for Learning.
The Wicked Minister. A moral story: respect your employer. Once, a wise king banished his minister for his misbehavior. The banished minister went to the neighboring kingdom and impressed the king there. He was quickly made a minister in that kingdom. The minister thought, "I can influence this king to attack the wise king." He fed the king many stories about the wise king so that he would attack his kingdom. He wanted to take revenge for his banishment. However, the king was practical and called one of his couriers. He said, "Find out why my minister was banished." The courtier found out the truth and reported to his king. After hearing the matter, the king said, "Minister, a man who does not respect and talks ill about his previous employer should never be trusted. Leave at once." The minister was ashamed and went away to seek the forgiveness of the wise king.
Thanks for watching and listening. Please click like and subscribe for new and latest uploads.